Yep. Person, I have a name. All right,
No, I was ready before that. For this, we can't get at our own speed.
Where you off per hour?
Well, Leo got worse, and so the
That's supposed to be calculated
No,
out.
I'll be sure that.
You calculate the average speed of the student when you ran do it for your group. So if you had the fastest time in your group, use that.
Then it's you.
When it mentions the class fastest or class slowest, don't use the class, use your group.
Guys, we gotta find out who's the fastest.
Just use that sample of 4 students that are in your group. Does that make sense to everybody? Everybody good?
Hey guys. So, hey.
What are you doing? Seriously, nobody knows what you're doing.
We're not supposed to do that for our own guy.
No, I wouldn't do that. So it would be 5.
Your running time was 5.11. James was 4.41. That's faster.
what do we?
Distracted by traffic.
25 divided by 4. That is that. 5.66. Okay. What was yours? 5 divided by 5. That's going to be about 5.
Okay. Guys, listen up real quick, guys. Hold on. Guys, is everybody having some trouble with number 2?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Okay. So it's asking you to multiply the speed of the fastest student. So speed is distance over time, right? By the slowest reaction time. Why would you be interested in this? So, when we're moving as fast as we can on the basketball court, remember, we're all trying to kind of work for this basketball court problem. So, say we're running as fast as we can. The fastest person in your groups. They're moving pretty quick, aren't they? Sometimes? Okay, why would we need to know the reaction time when we're going this way? Yes?
So they could dodge the car.
Not the car.
Oh wait,
So that we have the fastest reaction time once we cross that point where we need to stop. So if we have the slowest reaction time, it's going to be, the slowest reaction time is going to give us the biggest distance that we travel after we realize we need to stop. So when we're running, when Nick was out there just chucking away, and he realized it's time for me to stop, he had to take some time before he realized he had to stop. So that was his reaction time when he's moving that fast. So our speed, our top speed, is how fast we moved in meters per second, right? So if we're worried about our reaction time, that's in seconds, we multiply those two together to show us how far we're going to travel before we realize that we need to actually put the brakes on. Does that make sense? No? Still a little unclear? Okay. Who wants to come up here and help me?
Me?
Hey, come on up here, Chris. Okay. So say, here's the wall. Don't worry, you're not going to get hurt. Here's the wall. We're going to have him moving as fast as he possibly can. That's easy. He crosses this line. That's the out of bounds line right here. He doesn't know, okay, I am not reacting to going across the out of bounds line yet. Then he crosses it. He reacts. You realize, I have to stop. He's still moving. That reaction time, when we drop this, drop the meter stick, that's that time. That's your reaction time.
That's how long it'll take you to go from the out of bounds line to the wall before you realize.
That's the time that it takes you when you're moving to realize that you need to stop.
That's way higher.
pads on the wall.
It's way higher than the time.
That's going to give us the distance. we're doing distance over time
Rate one.
times our reaction time, right? Okay, thank you, you can go back. Okay, so we are worried about our distance, how far that we're moving
We
in.
like to use some numbers as an example.
Yeah, okay, what was your speed?
444.
What was it?
Oh,
Your
my speed, 5.630.
5 point, what was it?
630.
5.630 is your meters per second, right?
Yeah.
So that's your speed. What was your reaction time?
1.8.
1.8.
Is that, you mean stopping distance? Oh,
Slowest reaction time.
that was 0.192.
0.192 was your
Yeah.
reaction time. So that's in seconds.
Okay, I just multiplied the times up.
Okay? So that's in seconds. So when we multiply these together, it's gonna show us how far we move in meters during that time where we realize we need to stop. So we're running, we cross the out of bounds line, we react. It's gonna take us
Okay, that makes sense.
0.192 seconds, and in that 0.192 seconds, how far do we travel? Does that make sense a little bit more? Okay. Now try that one, and if you have questions, just wave me over. Okay? So everyone try and figure out what your slowest group time is, times your group's fastest speed.
So our slowest time.
Your group's slowest reaction time times your group's fastest speed.
Whoa, bro.
Kevin,
No,
you
not
have
gonna happen.
Kevin, you have done now what?
What's up?
Slowest reaction time. So we want James's speed times Devin's reaction time to be 4.41
Okay.
times.
What was your slowest reaction time?
5.
Your group's 0.286? Okay, so 0.286 times your fastest speed. Is that meters per second?
It's 1.036.
Okay. So what number does that give us? But what number is it? Yep. When you do that equation, what does it give you? What? Give me numbers. So it gives us 16. 1.6. So 1.6 is what? It's a distance. So during your reaction time, it's going to take you, or you're going to be moving 1.6 meters. No, meters. Yeah. So you're going to move 1.6 meters during your reaction time. Does that make sense?
So like that's how much like you're thinking that's what.
Yeah. When you're thinking, oh man, I need to stop. During that time that you're thinking, I gotta stop, you're gonna be moving 1.6 meters. You get it now? What if you don't stop? That's when you realize you need to stop. On question 3, it asks you more about your stopping distance and that
Is
number.
that always the right thing to do?
It'll be an odd shape.
No. Why?
Okay, so for this one, then you take that thing right there,
Yeah.
plus that right there, right?
What's your stopping distance? Yep.
So it equals that.
Okay. What's that? What's your unit? What do we got? It's not just a 3.03.
I don't know what it is.
All right. What was number 2 again?
Yes, right after your process how you think about it.
So I'll help you out with number 2.
Because it's flawed.
Wait, just right.
Or you can just